So, you want to print at HCS. Open Google Chrome. Click the puzzle piece, make sure that Mobility Print is there. If it is not, bring your Chromebook to Mr. Rogers or Mr. Larson. Click the print button on your document, or Ctrl-P. In the print dialog, click Destination, then See More. Select HCS PaperCut. Select whatever printing options you need, such as color printing or two-sided printing, as well as how many copies. Click the print button. The first time you print, you will have to sign into PaperCut. Do not use your whole email address, only the part before the @ sign. Use your standard password. The 4 numbers at the end of your password is your printing code. Don't forget to log out. And remember, printing is fun at HCS.